Hello, it's Dominic here from Colin Appleyard Suzuki in Keighley. Just a quick demonstration of how to change your clock on your Suzuki Ignis. So if you turn the ignition on, these three buttons just down here, if you press and hold the info button in until your trip computer comes up on the screen, then use these top and bottom switches here just to go down to clock settings. Just there. Use the info button to select, go down to adjust clock, and then you can go up and down to adjust the time on there. Go back into info to select it, and then again, that's been changed successfully. Go back up to back, come right the way back, and that's then done on there. If you come onto the center console, because it doesn't do it at the same time, go into settings, where it says clock, just press summertime to winter time, and that'll revert your clocks back to the original time. So thank you very much for watching, and that is how to change your clocks on the Suzuki Ignis.